There we go. We're gonna move on to frame assembly. I told you about the precision film on top. So when it gets cut, obviously it cuts together with the film. And so at the very corner, it could cause some confusion for the workers.
Just like Victor mentioned, that they just remove a little bit of this part of the film so that they can, for the two corners, they can be very clear for the workers to see it. Because later we move this aluminum profile to the next steps, there will be the corner key connections.
There we go.
They need to see the details, and then they can doing this job.
With that, we are moving slowly on to the next step in the frame assembly process, which is actually putting these frames together so it starts looking like an outline of a window. This is the first point in time.
Right.
Everything here cut down specifically to dimensions. The protective film is applied so that there's no scratches, no dust, no imperfections at all in these profiles. The workers, they do cut down the film so that when these profiles move on to the next stage, they can be mended together exactly as needed.
This is the corner key connection, the parts. They have different dimensions of the corner key, and goes to the different parts, so that later in that machine, they can doing that corner key connections to doing this.
We move on to the next part, where a technical worker actually assembles the very first outline of the frame. This is where it takes its shape. You use this machine and this very skilled technical worker to put them together, like we said, with a corner key connection. This machine ensures that the corner key connection is set into the frame, is set into the profile, and that it holds very strong against any potential climate or weather effects, patterns. So that's where we actually truly lock everything down and provide the ultimate strength to our frame. It's called corner crimping. Corner crimping and corner key connections are some of the most important aspects of getting this frame out, shipped out to the customer, to the contractors, and to everybody that needs windows and doors. The worker here is currently putting together these corner key connections and corner crimping these frames together, these profiles together, to ensure that they last very long, that they're very sturdy, that they're set in place. And this entire process relies solely on mechanical force. There's no screws, no glue. The machine tightly presses both of these sides of the profile together from the inside. With our corners now incredibly strong, thanks to the crimping process, but to truly seal the deal and ensure long-term durability and weather resistance, we need to do before this frame makes it on to putting the glass on, the hardware on, and doing the quality testing. Before we do that, we still need a couple more steps that we will show you.